All right, guys, got some exciting news for you. Here we go. So Virtuals protocol, let me show you this first. Virtuals protocol. And of course, their ticker or their X account is virtuals_IO. They have a whole bunch of followers, and they're following a few people. Then I see this. Our Virtuals joining the Solana isn't just an expansion, it's the beginning. To celebrate this event, we're excited to launch an airdrop. Hey, hello, free Virtuals. Here's the campaign, virtuals.io. Everything looks legit, right? Very nice, very nice. But hold on, wait a minute. Virtuals. You see any difference in the spelling? Yeah, it looks very similar, huh? Virtuals protocol. And look at this. Virtuals what? Then you hover over the name and it says @Element Builds with 200 followers. This is how you identify a scam. You connect your wallet, they drain all of your money. You must be vigilant, you must be careful, you must DYOR. Always confirm that the site you're going to is the actual site of the information you're trying to do. Now, I do want to show you something really quick. Of course, I recommend never clicking on the links, but I went in and clicked on it. That way I can show you. Here we have the claim page -virtuals.io. Looks identical to Virtuals. You got the Virtuals protocol information here. You have everything here. And then, of course, it says claim your virtual. Once you click on this, it says, okay, what do you want to connect? No, thank you. You connect any of these, they're going to drain your wallet. Now, what you could do whenever you're going to get an airdrop, create a new account for MetaMask or Phantom or wherever, and then you could, get airdrops that way. I do recommend if you're getting an airdrop from a legitimate site that you create its own wallet. That way, you're only expecting that airdrop. For example, if this was true, I would name the wallet, let's say it's a Phantom that I'm going to connect to it. I would go to Phantom, I would create a new account, and then the name of the account would be Virtuals. So anything that goes in that airdrop, I'm only going to be looking for Virtuals, because there could be, 10 other coins that get airdropped to me, but I'm not clicking on any of those because my wallet name says Virtuals, so I know I'm only expecting Virtuals. However, this one I am not doing because this is obviously a scam. Now, if you get another airdrop from somebody else, then again, if you are expecting it, or if you're applying for it, then create the wallet, name the wallet whatever coin you're expecting, and then once you get the coin, this is also important. Let's say we are wanting, let's get out of this. Let's say we are wanting ABC coin, and you name your wallet ABC, and then you get a coin ABC, which you're expecting, and then later on you get another coin that says ABC_. You don't want that coin. You're going to automatically see, oh, I got another airdrop, ABC coin, but if you look at it, it's ABC_. You have to be very slow when you're doing all this stuff, because you may say, oh man, I got $10,000 in ABC_, but all you see is ABC, because you're not looking. It's greed, it's emotions, it's excitement. It's, man, I got $10,000. Let me cash it out right now. You connect your wallet, boom, all your money gets gone. All right, that's all I got. Be careful out there, guys. I do appreciate you. Take care.